about a person by carefully examining their cells. Might this patient have cancer, be showing signs of pre-cancer, have a viral condition, or perhaps a fungal infection? Cytotechnologists are like detectives, trained to solve medical mysteries. By closely examining cells and marking areas of interest, cytotechnologists identify abnormalities and collect essential pre-diagnostic information for doctors. How do they do it? By combining an understanding of disease pathology with patient history, careful attention to detail, and visual precision. Each slide tells a story about a person, and no two cases are exactly the same. Most cytotechnologists are employed in an office setting, with a microscope and a computer by their side, and they often work predictable schedules with a strong work-life balance. So if you love science, you want to enter a field with expanding opportunities, and you enjoy problem solving.